down here in Wynwood tonight. It's one of those, I guess, pre-Halloween events. We got 2 generators out tonight in this one location. So everything is just getting started. I know you normally never see both of the generators. I never make these videos, first of all. Second of all, when I do, you normally don't see both generators or 2 generators at one spot, but that's how we're doing it tonight out here in Wynwood. All right, so if you got a big event coming up, you need some good power. You want stable power, you want somebody reliable who's going to be there on time and get the job done for you. Make sure so you give Wasi a call, all right? Cool.